Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm not going to show you a step-by-step tutorial, but I was trying out something for the first time, so I thought of recording the whole process. And I'm going to try something new today, on a new paper, and you can see that I've drawn the outline already. So this one is from Brustro and it's hot pressed watercolor paper, and earlier I have used the cold pressed ones, and here you can see that it's written here that it's good for mixed media. So I'm going to try this paper for the first time to give little bit of detailing over this illustration, and all the materials which I have used will be given with the links in the description down below. So guys, I shall be posting the tutorial of this kind of illustrations very soon on my channel. So this is something which I was trying for the first time, so I was not very sure as how to put everything together in a tutorial. Until and unless I am satisfied with the process, I won't be posting it as a tutorial. So yes, I hope you can just see and enjoy the working process and the color blending and everything. So stay tuned till the end of the video to find out the whole look. And you can see that I have started doing the skin already, and I always do the skin first. So guys, talking about these papers, the difference between hot pressed and cold pressed is that the hot pressed papers has a smooth surface, and it's good if you want to give little bit of detailing over your watercolor paintings. The cold pressed watercolor papers are really good for layering of your watercolor. Okay, and that's why I decided to try something new. To try this kind of mixed media artwork on this hot pressed color papers, and so I was just giving it a try, and when I will be satisfied with the whole process, I will surely make a step-by-step video on this approach. So in this illustration I have used mediums like markers, the alcohol based markers, watercolors, pencils, and some detailing tools like the fine liners. So I just observe the picture nicely and see that which medium will be good to give the detailing of which object on the illustration. So it's all about how you observe your picture, and you can see that which medium would be the best, and you can separately swatch your medium to see the color combination or to mix your colors together. Like you can use watercolor, by mixing different watercolor you can make a new color. So it's all about exploring your colors. Also guys, I wanted to thank each one of you for giving so much of love and support to my channel, and we are 10k family already, and it's been a wonderful journey. I've posted all these tutorials and art videos, and you all have liked my content so much. So thank you everybody, and keep supporting and keep loving. I shall be trying my best to give you valuable content time to time. Also, I was planning to do a Q&A video very soon, as there are lots of common questions which I regularly see in the comment section regarding my profession, current working status, or my educational background. So yes, I shall be answering everything in detail in my upcoming Q&A video. So it's a 10k special Q&A video. And apart from this regular questions, if you have any other questions regarding all this illustration or anything else, just comment it down below. I shall be answering all of them in the upcoming video guys. Okay, or you can talk to me directly on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. You can just DM me your question, and I will try to resolve the question then and there, or I will be covering the topic in the upcoming video, guys. So yes, feel free to ask me, and I hope that will be an amazing session. And also guys, I am taking workshops currently. I do take offline and online classes. So if you are interested to learn directly from me, you can contact me on my Instagram, and I take classes individually also and in batches also. So if you are interested to learn directly from me, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, and I will give you the rest of the details over there. So coming back to this illustration, you can see that I'm working in layers. First I have applied a light wash of the color, and then I have used little black and mixed it with my base color and applied it to give the shadows or the folds. So yes, it's all about working in layers, whichever medium you are using, guys. So in my earlier tutorials also you have seen that whenever I work with pencil, the pencil blending thing, I also have mentioned there that it's about working in layers. So the same thing goes for watercolor medium also. It really brings a lot of depth in your illustration. You can see lots of color and toning going on. Okay, there are light shadows, some highlights, some darker tones, some lighter tones, so like lots of things are going on. So that's how you can just make your illustration come out more lively by working on layers. And it will take you little time to get the desired shading and everything. Like in this illustration, it took me 3 hours to complete the whole thing. I have not counted the sketching part, I was just doing it randomly. So I think for the sketching part it took me like 15 minutes, so that's it. But the coloring part took me around 3 hours, and I've just increased the speed. So if you want to see the slower version of this illustration, you can just go to the YouTube settings and you can just decrease the speed to understand the strokes and the coloring. Okay, but anyway, I will be posting the breakdown of this kind of illustration, using mixed media, very soon. So talking about the final verdict of this paper, I would like to say that the papers are really good. Normally I would have used ivory sheets or the Bristol papers from the Brustro brand for doing my mixed media artworks, like whenever I use the markers or the brush pens. But this is my first try on this paper using my mixed media, so I am very much satisfied. You can see that the colors are looking very lively. The papers don't look dead. Some papers look dead, but these colors look very lively. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the working process, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care.